Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy food lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing boiled eggs just the way you prefer starts with the right serving size and cooking time. That's where the boiled eggs recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Boiled eggs are a simple, protein-rich food enjoyed around the world for their convenience, versatility, and easy preparation. They are suitable for breakfast, snacks, salads, lunch boxes, and diet meals, making them useful for different meal preferences. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. You can then choose your preferred boiling type, depending on how you want your eggs prepared. Choose soft boiled for 6 minutes, medium boiled for 8 minutes, or hard boiled for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Optional seasonings like salt, black pepper, red chili powder, or chaat masala can also be selected according to your taste. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, course, diet type, difficulty, calories, and the boiling method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, protein, fat, and carbohydrates per boiled egg. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities along with the cooking time for your selected boiling type. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from placing the eggs in water until serving. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once everything is ready, gently place the eggs in a saucepan and add enough water to cover them completely. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high flame, then cook the eggs according to your selected boiling type. After boiling, transfer the eggs into cold water for 3 to 5 minutes before peeling them carefully. Using fresh eggs can also help with easier peeling, as recommended in the cooking note. Once peeled, cut the eggs into halves and sprinkle your selected seasonings according to your preference. Serve them hot or chilled, or enjoy them as part of salads, sandwiches, and other meals. Boiled eggs are also commonly used in biryani, while hard-boiled eggs are especially popular for lunch boxes and fitness diets. Accurate measurements, the right cooking time, and your favorite seasonings make homemade boiled eggs easy to prepare just the way you like them. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.